To replace a LawnMaster mower blade, you will need a wrench 5/8 inches in diameter, and any device when spinning the bolt off of the blade to stop the blade. So I've chosen a mallet. I'm going to take my wrench and see how this stops the blade from spinning when I'm going to spin the nut. So loosen up your nut, and once it's loose enough you can just finish it by hand. Once that's off, remove your washer and simply take the blade off. Once you have your replacement blade, you'll want to find the two grooves that align on the mower deck. Taking your replacement blade, you see how these grooves align. Once they're aligned, you can put back on your washer. Take your nut, tighten to secure in place. Finish this up, and then we're good. Now you're ready for use.